Welcome to GitHub Trending Repos for today. We have a lot to cover today, so let's get started. Number 1. SimplexChat. 170 new stars today. SimplexChat is the first messaging network that completely eliminates user identifiers, solving the critical problem of metadata exposure that plagues even end-to-end encrypted messengers. By using unidirectional message queues and no global IDs, it prevents any party, including the server operators, from knowing who is communicating with whom, making it ideal for high-risk environments where contact disclosure could be dangerous. Its Haskell implementation, audited double-ratchet encryption with an additional layer, and open protocol offer developers a technically rigorous foundation for building private communication tools that go beyond what Signal or Matrix can provide. Number 2. CasaOS A. 2 new stars today. You should care about CasaOS because it turns a bare Linux box or Raspberry Pi into a personal cloud server through a web UI, eliminating the monthly fees and data residency concerns of SaaS storage and media platforms. It solves the real-world problem of self-hosting being too complex for non-sysadmins by providing a Docker-based app store where services like Plex, Nextcloud, and Home Assistant install with a single click instead of requiring terminal commands. What makes it technically interesting is that it's a lightweight Go daemon that layers a user-friendly GUI and file manager directly over Docker without abstracting it into a black box, giving you the full power of containerization while staying accessible enough that you can hand the admin panel to a family member. Number 3. freefordev. 459 new stars today. This repository is a community-curated, searchable catalog of free developer infrastructure tiers across hundreds of SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS offerings, eliminating the hours of manual research needed to find services you can rely on without upfront costs. It solves the real budget problem that side projects, startups, and open-source maintainers face by validating that each listed free tier is genuinely usable long-term, not a time-limited trial, and by enforcing security requirements like included TLS. Its technical value lies in its structured, opinionated scope targeting DevOps and infrastructure work, and the active pull request pipeline from over to 600 contributors that keeps the list current and trustworthy, making it a living reference you can bookmark and return to whenever you architect a new stack. Number 4. PowerToys. 67 new stars today. PowerToys fills the gaps in Windows out-of-the-box functionality that force developers to waste time on repetitive window management, file inspection, and system tweaks. It bundles over 30 modular utilities like Fancy Zones for tiling layouts, Keyboard Manager for remapping, and File Explorer add-ons for previewing Markdown and SVGs directly into a single, Microsoft-maintained toolbox. The project's C-based core keeps it fast and memory efficient, while its active open-source development means you can inspect, fork, or contribute to the tools you rely on daily. Number 5. Directus. 44 new stars today. Directus eliminates the need to build custom admin panels and API layers by instantly wrapping any existing SQL database with REST and GraphQL APIs, a visual management interface, and role-based access control. It solves the problem of giving non-technical teams and AI agents governed access to live production data without duplicating schemas or writing boilerplate backend code. It stands out by being fully database agnostic, supporting direct SQL access alongside its API, and now including a native MCP server that lets AI tools like Claude or Cursor interact with your data under the same permissions as human users. Number 6. MoanAI. 20 new stars today. Medical imaging AI workflows are messy. You're constantly rewriting 3D data loaders, spatial transforms, and specialized metrics like dice score. MoanAI is a PyTorch-based toolkit that standardizes all of that, letting you focus on model innovation instead of data plumbing. It provides a comprehensive set of domain-specific primitives from nifty-DICOM.io to patch-based training and multi-organ segmentation, losses that are rigorously tested and used in published research, so you can trust that your pipeline isn't held together with duct tape. What sets it apart is its composable API and production-ready features like multi-node training and MoanAI deploy, which make it a practical foundation for both academic projects and real-world clinical applications without the vendor lock-in of proprietary platforms. Number 7. Svelte. 32 new stars today. Svelte shifts the work from the browser to the compile step, turning your declarative components into surgical DOM update code that runs without a virtual DOM overhead. This means you ship less JavaScript to your users and avoid the runtime diffing cost that slows down traditional frameworks, making it ideal for interactive dashboards, animations, and performance-critical web apps. Its compiler-driven approach lets you write reactive, scoped-styled components with almost no boilerplate while producing lean vanilla JS output, giving you a concrete reason to explore how it achieves faster load times and simpler state management than library-based alternatives. Number 8. Lightdash, 1 new stars today. Lightdash turns your DBT project into a full-stack BI platform where analysts define metrics in code and business users explore them through a drag-and-drop interface, eliminating the gap between data modeling and dashboard creation. It solves the problem of stale, duplicated business logic by making DBT models the single source of truth for both transformation and self-serve analytics, so every metric is version-controlled and testable. Unlike traditional BI tools that require proprietary modeling layers, Lightdash sits directly on top of your DT repo and warehouse, giving developers complete control over the analytics workflow while still offering a polished UI for non-technical stakeholders. Number 9. Plane, 108 new stars today. Plane gives you a self-hostable project tracker that covers issues, sprints, docs, and roadmaps in one interface, so your team's planning data stays on your own infrastructure instead of a vendor's cloud. It directly replaces tools like Jira Linear or Monday with a modern, fast UI built on TypeScript and Django, and supports Docker or Kubernetes deployment out of the box. If you need per-instance admin controls via its God mode or want to avoid per-seat SaaS pricing, this repo is worth a close look. Number 10. Summer 2026 Internships, 29 new stars today. This is a community-maintained, human-verified list of 2026 tech internships that Trige's crowdsourced tips with automated hourly scraping of company career pages, so you stop wasting time on stale listings and closed applications. It solves the fragmentation problem where students chase rumors on Discord and blind LinkedIn scrolls, replacing that with a single structured source covering software engineering, AI/ML, quant hardware, and product roles across big tech and startups. Unlike paid job boards that gate data or generic aggregators that drown you in noise, this repo is publicly readable, category sorted, and enriched with sponsorship and citizenship flags, which matters if you need to filter roles you're actually eligible for before you invest time applying.